Good morning, y'all. Literally just woke up. It's a beautiful day out. Aaron and I are gonna do a little light workout. Well, I'm gonna do a little light workout. Aaron's probably gonna do a real workout. But I don't know where she's at. She was literally just up. And then I lost her. But there's this little slope. You can't really like tell on camera, but it's like pretty intense slope. At least for me. And I'm just gonna go up and down it a couple times just to get my heart rate going. Oh no, that's not her. And do just like a couple stretches and squats. Today we're going to a coffee factory where they grow and process the whole coffee plant like from start to finish, and that'll be really awesome. And then we're going to a waterfall. So today should be really, really awesome. So I did the baby hill like 10 or 15 times, but now I'm gonna do the big hill probably just once, and I'm walking it like as slow as physically possible. Mom? So the way back up is probably like 400 times harder than the way down. And Erin's running it. I don't know how she can do that. It's so intense. I wish that the video would give this hill justification as to how steep it is. Oh my god. Aaron's killing it. So now we're off to the coffee factory. Yes, take two. And this is our ride. Raula's intensely.
Raula gets shotgun.
Yes, Raula gets shotgun. We are so styling in this 18-wheeler, chilling in the bed. Got me 2 bags of coffee. Being that we never drink coffee at home, this should last the next 10 years. But it tastes so good. Walked over to the magazine stand and I saw this. I wonder what it is. We are now in the middle of the jungle, literally, to get to the waterfall. And Mom Jin is real slow, so I had to come ahead while they were all chit-chatting so that I can gain some ground to get there. So that was the first waterfall, and it was freezing. It had to have been no more than like 37-degree water. It was so cold.